Do you know the secret power of amino acids? Amino acids have many structures and functions. One of the most obvious and important functions is for their direct incorporation into muscle tissue. Muscle tissue is composed primarily of amino acids which build the long muscle fibers of the legs, arms, back, neck, and hips. In order to have strong muscles, it is absolutely necessary to get adequate protein. Some sources of protein are better than others. Scientists describe three categories of amino acids. First, there are non-essential amino acids. Our bodies make these from food sources when we obtain adequate nutrients. Second, there are essential amino acids that must come from protein in the diet. Our bodies cannot make this type. Third, there are conditionally essential amino acids, which are most needed during physical exertion, stress, injury, and recovery from disease or operation. When we are under any of these conditions, we need more of both the non-essential and essential amino acids. Did you know that laminin contains all 22 amino acids? The fertilized avian egg extract in the laminin formula is very high in free amino acids, which are absorbed quickly and enter the bloodstream fairly rapidly because they do not need a long process of breaking them down through digestion. Laminin contains the full array of amino acids. This means laminin has a complete profile of all essential and non-essential amino acids in a natural, non-synthetic form. Laminin is also fortified with other natural, easily digestible protein from pea and marine sources. Simple proteins can also be absorbed fairly quickly. Laminin is a perfect protein supplement. Scientists have discovered that amino acid supplementation enhances strength and increases muscle mass during workouts or exercise. A large analysis of 22 studies that had a total of 680 subjects showed an increase in muscle mass and strength in both trained and untrained subjects who consumed simple protein and/or amino acid supplements. They experienced statistically significant increases in muscle mass and also in strength, as measured by leg press strength. Additional studies have shown that subjects who took amino acid supplements 30 to 60 minutes before and again 30 to 60 minutes after their workouts for a period of 6 weeks show a formidable gain in muscle mass and strength. This increase occurs because when the amino acids enter the bloodstream and flow to the muscle fibers during exercise, they are incorporated into the muscle fibers even better. Regardless of age and training, the subjects on protein or amino acid supplements experience increased muscle mass and strength as compared to those on placebo. Placebos were in the form of carbohydrate drinks or water. The amount of the protein supplement consumed prior to exercise was equivalent to 9 to 15 laminin capsules or more. Another study evaluated a group of 22 women masters athletes aged 52 to 54 years who rode in bicycle competitions. The group supplemented with the alanine amino acid for 28 days showed increased cycling performance as measured by the time they became exhausted and by greater work output. An added benefit was that lactic acid was found to clear much faster from the blood in the amino acid supplemented group as compared to placebo. Lactic acid produced during strenuous exercises caused muscle soreness and stiffness. Research has proven that supplementing with quality protein and amino acids builds strength. To optimize your muscle building and strength, take laminin within a 30 to 60 minute window of time before and after your workout. Laminin capsules are easy to swallow and can also be opened up and sprinkled on food or mixed into smoothies, yogurt, and beverages. It's a practical and cost-effective way to boost your strength and overall health. Whether you're an aspiring athlete or just trying to get the protein and amino acids your body needs to function optimally.